Are you ready to elevate your commuting game or take on some off-road adventures? Today, we're diving into the top 5 best electric scooters of 2025. Whether you're a student, a commuter, or an adventure seeker, we've got something for everyone. Let's get started. Number 5 on our list is the Mankeel MX-14 electric scooter. The Mankeel MX-14 electric scooter is a feature-rich transportation option designed for commuters, families, and students. It boasts advanced features for both performance and safety, making it a viable choice for daily travel. Let's break down the pros and cons of this electric scooter. Pros: efficient lighting system. The Mankeel MX-14 is equipped with high-brightness LED headlights and colorful ambient lighting. This not only enhances nighttime visibility but also adds a modern aesthetic to the scooter. Exceptional range. With a true range of 45 km in sport mode, the scooter can handle a variety of daily activities like commuting, shopping, and short trips without frequent recharging. Powerful performance. Powered by a 500W high-speed brushless motor, the scooter provides a smooth and fast riding experience. The 800W peak motor power ensures ample torque for hills and varied terrains. Enhanced shock absorption. The dual damping system, featuring front and rear shock absorbers, effectively manages bumpy road conditions, delivering a more comfortable ride even on uneven surfaces. Comprehensive brake system. The scooter's combination of front drum brake, front e-brake, and rear disc brake ensures reliable stopping power. This multi-layered braking system enhances rider safety in various conditions. Versatile usability. Designed to cater to a wide range of users, including commuters, families, and students, it allows you to travel freely and enjoy scenic rides. Cons: weight and portability. While not explicitly stated, scooters with dual shock absorbers and powerful motors often lean towards being heavier. This could pose challenges for those needing to carry the scooter over long distances or upstairs. The Mankeel MX-14 electric scooter is an excellent choice for those looking for a stylish, high-performance e-scooter for daily commuting and leisurely rides. With its strong motor, advanced braking system, and dual shock absorbers, it offers a safe and smooth experience. Number 4 is the Hezzo Q30 electric scooter. The Hezzo Q30 electric scooter is an off-road capable, single-motor electric scooter designed for urban commuters and adventurers alike. With a focus on durability, performance, and rider convenience, this scooter comes with a range of thoughtful features. We'll explore its pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Pros: powerful motor. Equipped with a 48V 2500W motor, the Q30 offers robust performance, achieving a top speed of 50-60 km/h. It's suitable for both city streets and off-road terrains. Decent range. The 48V 16Ah battery provides a range of 40-60 km, making it ideal for medium to long commutes without the need for frequent recharging. Smooth ride. The front and rear spring shock absorption system and 11-inch off-road vacuum tires ensure a comfortable ride, even on uneven surfaces. Safety features. The Q30 is equipped with front and rear disc brakes, a horn, and multiple lights, including headlights, tail lights, driving lights, and turn signals, enhancing rider safety during day or night travel. Convenient features. The scooter boasts a USB charging mode, a large instrument panel, and adjustable handlebars, catering to the rider's comfort and connectivity needs. Anti-theft mechanism. The inclusion of a key lock system provides peace of mind against theft. Hill climbing ability. With a climbing angle of 25-35, the Q30 can handle hilly terrains effortlessly, adding to its versatility. Sturdy build. The scooter has a gross weight of 35 kg and a load capacity of 120 kg, though it is recommended for riders under 80 kg to ensure the frame's longevity. Cons: heavy weight. At 35 kg, the Q30 is relatively heavy, which could make it challenging to carry or maneuver manually when not in use. The Hezzo Q30 electric scooter is an excellent choice for those seeking a powerful, off-road-ready electric scooter with a decent range and ample safety features. It excels in performance and convenience but may not suit everyone due to its weight, load restrictions, and lack of advanced tech features. If you're a rider under 80 kg looking for a durable and high-speed scooter for urban commutes or light off-road adventures, the Q30 is a solid contender. Coming in at number 3 is the Ajoosos X700 electric scooter. The Ajoosos X700 electric scooter is an off-road beast designed for riders who crave power, stability, and versatility. Equipped with a 5600W brushless motor and 11-inch off-road tires, this scooter promises a thrilling ride on various terrains. But does it deliver on its bold claims? Let's dive into the pros and cons of the Ajoosos 700. Pros. Exceptional motor performance. The modified 5600W brushless motor offers impressive torque, ensuring smooth acceleration and excellent power delivery. The motor effortlessly handles challenging terrains, making it ideal for adventurous riders who want to explore off-road trails or steep slopes. Off-road capability. The deep tread patterns on the 11-inch tires enhance grip, providing stability on gravel, pavement, and uneven surfaces. This makes the scooter suitable for tackling terrains where most traditional scooters would struggle. Impressive climbing ability. The Ajoosos X700 can handle inclines up to 45, allowing riders to navigate steep hills without losing momentum. This climbing capability sets it apart from many other scooters in its class. Enhanced lighting system. Visibility is a key feature of this scooter, thanks to its comprehensive lighting system. With 2 headlights, 2 brake lights, 2 side lights, and a rear light, riders can see clearly and ensure they are seen by others, enhancing safety during night rides. Dual shock absorption. The dual shock absorption system ensures a comfortable ride by minimizing vibrations and impacts, even on rough terrain. This makes longer rides more enjoyable and less fatiguing. Convenient folding design. The 2-step folding system is a practical addition, making it easy to carry the scooter on public transport, store it in a car trunk, or keep it in compact spaces. Upgraded LCD display. The LCD display provides real-time data and multifunction control, offering a modern and user-friendly interface for managing your ride. Cons. Bulky design. While the scooter's folding mechanism is convenient, its off-road build and powerful components make it heavier and bulkier than urban-focused scooters. This may be a drawback for users seeking portability. The Ajoosos X700 electric scooter is a top choice for riders who demand power, durability, and versatility. Its exceptional motor performance, off-road capabilities, and climbing power make it a standout for adventurous use. Number 2 is the Arwibon GT08 electric scooter. The Arwibon GT08 electric scooter is designed for enthusiasts who demand performance, safety, and versatility. Equipped with robust features tailored for off-road adventures and urban travel alike, it promises a dynamic riding experience. Let's dive into the pros and cons of this powerful scooter to help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. Pros. Powerful performance. The 5600W high-efficiency brushless motor delivers remarkable power, enabling easy hill climbs and impressive speeds. This makes it a great choice for riders looking for both speed and torque in challenging terrains. Long battery life. The scooter features a 60V27A lithium battery, which is known for its high capacity and durability. Riders can enjoy extended travel ranges without frequent recharging, making it ideal for long commutes or off-road adventures. Superior braking system. The inclusion of a motorcycle-grade braking system significantly reduces braking response time, enhancing safety, especially during high-speed rides or in emergencies. Hydraulic shock absorbers. For a more stable and comfortable riding experience, the scooter is equipped with hydraulic shock absorbers. These effectively minimize the impact of bumps and uneven roads, ensuring a smoother ride. Rugged off-road tires. The 11-inch off-road tires are a standout feature, offering excellent grip and durability. These tires can handle diverse terrains, from rocky trails to slippery urban roads, with minimal risk of deformation. User-friendly controls. The button display and intuitive vehicle controls make it easy for riders to understand and operate the scooter, even if they are new to electric scooters. Cons: heavy weight. Given its powerful motor and high-capacity battery, the GT08 is likely to be heavier than other electric scooters. This could make it less portable and harder to maneuver in tight spaces. The Arwibon GT08 electric scooter is a powerhouse designed for riders who value speed, stability, and versatility. Its advanced motor, durable battery, and off-road capabilities make it a strong contender for adventure enthusiasts. And finally, our number one pick is the Hezzo F9 electric scooter. The Hezzo F9 electric scooter promises a high-performance and stylish ride, boasting advanced technology and safety features. Equipped with a robust lithium battery, an ergonomic design, and premium shock absorption systems, the F9 aims to deliver a smooth and comfortable riding experience. We explore the pros and cons of this electric scooter to help you determine if it's the right fit for your commuting or leisure needs. Pros: high-capacity battery with quick charging. The Hezzo F9 is powered by a 60V40Ah lithium battery, designed to deliver a range of 8,100 kilometers on a single charge. This impressive range ensures long commutes or leisurely rides without frequent recharges. Additionally, the inclusion of 2 chargers reduces the charging time to just 5 hours, a significant advantage for those who value efficiency. Durable and lightweight design. The scooter features an aluminum alloy handlebar and lightweight materials throughout, making it portable and easy to handle. Despite its lightweight construction, the materials are strong and durable, ensuring the scooter can withstand regular use and various terrains. Advanced LED lighting system. The patented 12-mode LED lighting system adds a stylish flair while enhancing safety during nighttime rides. The design is not just aesthetically pleasing but also practical, providing visibility and making the rider more noticeable in low light conditions. Dual shock absorption system. The Hezzo F9 comes with double inverted shock absorption and a rear spring shock absorber. This combination filters out bumps and uneven surfaces, offering a comfortable and stable ride even on challenging terrains. The rebound and lock function further enhances adaptability across different road conditions. User-friendly controls. The instrument button system is strategically placed for easy access, allowing riders to start the scooter, adjust gears, and monitor key information with minimal effort. This intuitive interface enhances convenience and usability. Cons: weight. Although made with lightweight materials, the inclusion of a high-capacity battery and sturdy components might still result in a slightly heavier build than some competitors. This could affect portability for users who frequently carry their scooters. The Hezzo F9 electric scooter is a well-rounded option for those seeking style, comfort, and high performance. With its impressive battery life, advanced shock absorption, and user-friendly design, it stands out as a reliable choice for long commutes or recreational rides.